What is good, YouTube? Chevy Boy again, and I am back with another video, dog. So, today, I didn't even say today. In this video, I'm back working on the old truck, the old Ford Silverado. I've already started a little bit of what I'm doing to it. So, I haven't made it far because I've actually been waiting on sound editing to come. That gives you an idea of what I'm doing. But I've been waiting on sound editing to come, and it is non-existent right now. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know what happened. I don't know what the situation is. I don't know nothing. All I know is I'm supposed to have sound editing. I don't have any sound editing. So, I'm waiting on that. But I'm going to show y'all this right quick. I got my door panel in, and as you can see, the seat is out. It's kind of accumulated a little mess there, but I got the door panel in. It actually looks pretty good. So once again, it gives y'all an idea of what I'm doing. So what I'll do is I'll show y'all what I'm doing with the seat, and over this video, we'll just kind of go through a little walkthrough, or kind of just show you me pretty much bringing some life back to this interior, man. I really got a clusterfuck of junk in here. But what I am going to be doing now, before I even pull the seat, driver's seat out, is I'm gonna go ahead and work with this door. I got another door panel right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this door panel off. I'm gonna tape this window up. I got a new window motor. Y'all saw I did that window motor over there. And what's crazy is this one was working fine. I swapped that one out. This one started getting sluggish on me. So I'm gonna swap this one out, pull the door panel off, swap the door panel out. Probably gonna keep these door panels, because more than likely I can use these. This was the only problem. I just wanted to do something like that to kind of add a little color and what else I'm doing with it. So yeah, I'm finna go ahead and start working with this door, man. Y'all just stay tuned what I got going. Well, I started working as usual. As you can see, I got the carpet laid down. But I laid this down better than I did in the Caprice. So we definitely gonna have to get some more carpet to go to make it look like this. But I'm gonna put the console in right quick. Put the console in right quick so that way it can stop moving around and stuff. But, look a little cleaner in here, man. It's a whole lot better. But let me get back to it. It has gotten dark on me, but it's starting to get dark. Y'all just watch me do that. But let me get back to it, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Yeah, well, y'all seen the seat in though. But this is what we going from. Cigarette burns, all that stuff. To this here. I didn't really just do an in-depth deal about how to do it. I also did this one, but I got junk sitting in it, so we'll wait till the daytime, come and show y'all how everything look and put it back in the truck. So y'all just stay tuned. Okay, so we got the seats back in here. I thought that was a wrap. Got the seats back in. I managed to break this. I don't know how I did it, but got the seats in. I gotta get the remnants up. I am waiting on the piece for here before I put the rest of this together. But other than that, it is movable now. Put the seats back in it so I can move it. So it all flow to me. All flow to me. Then I'm gonna end up painting this to darken it up to look like the top dash that's in the truck. But I don't know if I'll be able to get to that in this video. We'll see. But so far, I'm happy with the outcome. But I got one more thing to show y'all in this video. So y'all just stay tuned for that. What's that? Oh, that's right. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go vacuum it out too, but y'all just. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the inside again. Show y'all pretty much. This ain't the finished product. I need to vacuum because I just dirtied my carpet up. But this ain't the finished product. Is about 70-80% because I am waiting on the piece for here so I can put that together, put the piece up there, and then put the bezel back on. That'll be done. But like I showed y'all before, the door panels are done. I'm probably gonna start looking for some more darker armrests because I tried, but if I can get it that color, then that'll be cool. But I'm gonna show y'all what I just did, and I'm calling this the prettiest ugly truck you'll ever see. Well, y'all just saw a little bit of it, so give y'all the full effect. So, yep. I'm really only doing this just to try it out and see how I feel about it. But, yep, those are 26-inch carbon replicas. So, I ain't gonna take it to the other side because that's where the most dents at. But like I said, this is probably the cleanest ugly truck you'll see. So honestly, the interior is almost done. I'm just gonna redo the music because I only got just the back speakers are working in there. So that'll be the last thing on the interior. So we'll be done with that, and that'll be phase 2. Phase 3 is gonna deal with more of the drivetrain. So, but I'll give y'all the whole walk around here, y'all already knew how it was when I bought it. So, phase 3 is gonna be drivetrain, and more than likely it's gonna be paint. But these will not be the final rims that stay on them. These wheels will not stay on this truck. They're gonna be on it for a good little while. I'm actually feeling the look, but they will not stay on the truck. And I don't think I'm gonna stay with this size. We'll talk more about that when it get closer to time for me to, do what I gotta do. I'm gonna show y'all the inside again. I still got some little stuff I need to clean up out of there, but and I do got an Escalade top dash. I just gotta paint it to match that color, so that's why that's not in there. But excuse me. But once I do that, that'll pretty much be it. Like Stitch say, that's about that on that. So yeah. Like I said, me, I'm digging it. I'm digging the direction I'm going with it. I'm digging the progress I've had on it. So but yeah, y'all just stay tuned for more, man. Next video is probably gonna be me go ahead and addressing the music inside this truck, because I can't keep dealing with just having 2 speakers working enough. But man, y'all like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'm gonna be back with y'all in a minute. Alright. Okay, I just had to show y'all the full effect when it's all done. Disregard all that over there. I'm gonna get that out in just a minute, but yeah. But that's gonna be it for this video. Y'all just stay tuned. I don't know why every time I find a piece like this don't work. I just need that to close so I get the full effect. But it's the second one I done bought like this, so I may try one more. But we'll see. But yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned, man. We're gonna get back on him later. We'll end on him later. But anyway, y'all just stay tuned.